Let's take a look at finding a formula for the nth term of a geometric sequence. For the geometric sequence a sub n, if our first term is a sub 1, we have a common ratio of r, then we can find the nth term by using this formula. We have a sub n equals our first term, a sub 1, times r to the power n minus 1. Let's take a look at finding a particular term of a geometric sequence. Let's find the nth term of the geometric sequence 3, 2, 4/3, 8/9, etc. Our first term is 3. Let's go ahead and find our common ratio. Remember that we want to divide out two successive terms. I'm going to go ahead and divide out my second term and my first term, and that's going to give me a common ratio of 2/3. Let's go ahead and find our nth term. Remember, we're going to need this formula a sub n equals our first term, a sub 1, times r to the power n minus 1. We can plug our first term and our common ratio into this formula, and our nth term is going to be 3 times 2/3 to the power n minus 1. For part B, let's go ahead and find the 9th term. We're going to need our formula for finding the nth term, and in this case we're going to plug in a 9 for each of those n values. This is going to give us 3 times 2/3 to the 8th power. If we simplify our fraction, we're going to get 256 on top, 2187 on the bottom, and if we divide those out, that should come out to be a decimal of about 0.117055. For part C, let's go ahead and find a recursive formula. Remember that our first term was 3 and our common ratio was 2/3. Remember that we can write our recursive formula in this form. A sub n equals our common ratio, r, times a sub n minus 1. Our recursive formula is going to be a sub n equals 2/3 times a sub n minus 1.